Hello, my name is Happiness and you're welcome to Learn German with Happiness. Today we are going to be looking at the German alphabet and their pronunciation with examples. So if you are looking for where to learn your German language, this channel is the right place for you. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, and turn on your notification bell to get more of this video. So let's get right to the video. Today we'll be learning the German alphabet. In German language, we have 26 letters of the alphabet. Likewise, the English language, where we have 26 letters of alphabet. Though in German language, we have 4 special letters, but today we are only going to deal with the 26 letters of the alphabet. The first letter we have is A. A, which is A in English. A, Apfel. Zum Beispiel, Apfel. Apfel in English means apple. A, Apfel. Then we have B. B. B für Buch. B für Buch. We have B for book. B for book. Then we have C. C. C für Computer. C für Computer. C for computer. Then we have D. D. D für Dame. D für Dame. Dame in English means lady. Lady. Then we have A. A für I. 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 I mean egg. Egg. Then we have fish. F for fish. F for fish. Then G. G für G. G für Garten. Garten. Garten in German, in English mean garden. Garden. Then we have A. Ha. Ha. The long A alphabet, which is the alphabet A. So this one is alphabet H, which is pronounced as Ha. Ha. A für house. 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 House means house. House in English. Then we have E. E. E für Insel. 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 I is pronounced as E, and example is Insel. Insel is island, an island. J is pronounced as yacht in German, and example is Junge. Junge. Junge in English is boy. Boy. Then we have K. K. K für Kind. K für Kind. K for child. K for child. L is pronounced as L, and example is Lampe. Lampe. Lampe is a lamp. 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 Then we have M. M für man. M für man. M for man. Then we have N für Nase. N für Nase. Nase means nose. Then we have O. O für Onkel. O für Onkel. Uncle mean uncle, uncle. Papier, 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 papier. Papier mean paper, paper. Kufio, kale, kale. Kale means sauce, sauce. Erfio, rat. Erfio, rat. Rat mean advice, advice. Then S-fio, zone, S-fio, zone, zone. Zone mean sun, zone mean sun. Te-fio, tish, te-fio, tish, tish. Tish mean table, table. Ufio, wall, ufio, wall, wall. Wall mean clock, clock. Foul. V in German is pronounced as foul. It has F sound. Foul. Foul für Vater. Foul für Vater. Vater mean father. Father. W. W in German is pronounced as V. It has V sound. V sound. So it is pronounced as V. V für Wasser. V für Wasser. It is not pronounced as Wasser. It is pronounced as Wasser. Wasser. X. X is pronounced as X. X für Xylophone. X für Xylophone. X for xylophone. Upsilon. Y is pronounced as upsilon. I. Letter Y is pronounced as upsilon. So, example is yoga, yoga, yoga. You can see that the upsilon is not pronounced here, but Y is pronounced as upsilon. Then the last letter of the alphabet, tet, tet, tet. It has T sound, tet. Tet für tight. Tet für tight. Tight mean time. Tight mean time. So we have come to the end of today's video, which are the 26 letters of the German alphabet. So in the next video, we are going to look at the 4 special letters. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.